If you started playing Fire Emblem Heroes and you're now tired of your username and want to change it, don't worry, because here's how to easily customize it in-game. To change your nickname, click on MISC from the bottom of your screen. Then select FAQ/ETC from the options. Scroll down, then click on Change Nickname. Type in your new nickname and click Confirm once you're done. Now you can say goodbye to your old nickname and your new one will reflect in-game. Now if you want to name your teams, you can do so by navigating to the Allies button from the menu at the bottom. Next, select Edit Teams. Then choose the Edit Team Name option. Insert the new name for your team. Then confirm your changes and you're done. Finally, if you want to change your custom character's name, simply tap Allies from the bottom menu. Then choose My Summoner from the options. From there, tap the edit icon just beside your summoner's name. Type in the new one that you want. And press the green Confirm button to save your changes. Now you can easily change your nickname, summoner's name, or team's name whenever you wish. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe to watch more guides about all sorts of technology. Also, check out these other videos that we think you'll find helpful.